Hello everyone, welcome to the Tutorials with Kudrat Club और ये है हमारा chapter 6. I've been accompanied with Suhavni and Khushdeep. So we'll be doing a trending song of Diljit Dosanjh, Naina. So are we ready? Take a position and let's get started. So we'll be starting with the first step, and before the lyric starts there is a music, and on that music we'll take a circle with the right leg forward and bend, and then we have khuda khuda step. So we bend right foot and back. Let's go. We are hand adding, we go 1 and 2. Now after this we bend our left leg 1 and 2. So with the bending, we'll use our hands and we'll move towards 1 and 2. Got it? Now, after this, अपने right leg पीछे ले जानी है 1 and 2. So when we're doing this, we add on the wave. We wave with the right hand 1 and left hand also in. So both wave will be inside. Let's go 1 and 2. Now adding with the leg, we go 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and 2. After this, we'll pull our body forward and 1. Got it? Now, after this, what you have to do is we bring our hands out, hold it on your heart, and we'll move towards right and left with a right, left, and adding legs, we go 1 and 2. Let's revise this up from the top. Shake a circle, and you go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2. Got it? यहाँ तक जिसको आ गया? Pretty good. If you are not getting it, revise it one more time. Or let's do one thing. Let's practice together. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. Circles and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2. Got it? So after this, we'll be doing a foot movement forward. So go 1 and 2. While doing this, we'll shake our shoulders 1 and 2. Ready? Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2. So once you're here, on the left side, we add tap right hand, left, right, and hit with the right shoulder. Got it? You can use your elbow as well. आप अपनी elbow को भी मार सकते हो, आप अपनी shoulders को भी मार सकते हो. Got it? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and hit. Got it? After this, what you have to do is you bring your hands 1. अब जब आप कर रहे हैं तो अपने left leg को slide करना. So slide with the arm. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1. Now same towards the other side. 2, 3. And 4. Got it? इसको एक बार continuity में करते हैं. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. After this, now this is a tricky step, though it looks very easy, but जब आप practice करोगे it takes time. So what you have to do is we add on the wave from the body. 1, 2, 3, 4. यहाँ तक done. Now adding arm. आपने क्या करना है? आपकी arm आगे जाएगी and your head goes back. Then you bend it backward, your arms goes back and your body comes front. Again, reverse and go. So when you're doing in a momentum with the music, it goes on the 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And with this, we add on the step and we'll take a roll. Got it? चले. Repeat करते हैं. 5, 6 with the shoulders. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1 and 2. Wave 1, 2, 3 and roll. Great. Now for the next one, what you have to do is we'll tap towards the other side. You go 1, 2 and 3 and 4. And we're adding our arms. We go 1 and 2. Or 3 and 4. You can do this, we can do this also. So on the speed of the music, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Got it? And उसके बाद आ रहा है freestyle. Freestyle, you can just walk and move our body. We had done in this way 1 and 2. Okay. So let's start from the top. From the top, we go 5, 6, 7, take a circle, and Khuda, Khuda, maine liya, liya, naam hazara wari, dil mera hua, hua, kheda nasha, nasha, naam tere to wari, teri se badi hopi, na 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 na, na 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 na. 1 and 2, then 3 and 4, and you go 1 and 2. Okay, now we'll be doing the main step of hook step. What we had created, we'll be teaching you that. You go 5, 6. So first step jo kiya, that is the same. We'll be doing the same. You go 1, 2, and adding the hand movements, you go 1. So Naina. Now just go Naina. Now using your left shoulder, left, right, and bring your body forward, and we'll. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7. Go. Naina ta kehna niyaj tera mukhda. So you look towards front and then chupana, and then look front and then chupana. Got it? So go 5, 6, 7. Go. Naina ta kehna niyaj tera mukhda vek ke. Yahan se after this, what you have to do, will right leg slide and turn and place. Once we are doing this, we'll add on the jump also in this. So jump and turn. Okay. So with this step we are here, and we'll add on go 1 and 2. Got it? And from here we'll do the tippy toe. So go 1, 2. While doing this, we add on the arm in front. Apne left leg hand lena. Go 1 and 2. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and 2. A right leg goes front and bring it back, and then bring your hands across. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and clap, clap, clap. Got it? So let's repeat 5, 6, 7. Go. Naina ta kehna ni asitera mukhda vek ke rehna ni tu te meri hai na ishq te at to lena ni. Got it? Now we have the same lines coming up. Repeat. But the steps are different. So we go is we tap the right and back, left and back. So we are adding the arms. You go 1. You can do this. You can do this. You can do this, or whatever you want to add on. So we add on this like we go 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and 2. After this, hum yahi se left hand goes up, right hand goes down. Take a full circle and keep your hands here. Now with this, we add on the shoulders, 2 steps to the shoulders, 1, 2. And with this, we add on wave, 1, 2. And then we have the step go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Samaya? Nahi? Chalo, let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, is the shoulder 5, 6, 7. And after this, you'll just walk towards the camera. You go 1, 2, 3 with a style. Okay, let's do this again from the Naina part. 5, 6, 7. Go. Naina ta kehna ni asitera mukhda vek ke rehna ni tu te meri hai na ishq de atar garu to lena ni. Repeat. Naina ta kehna ni asitera mukhda vek ke rehna ni tu te meri hai na ishq de atar to lena ni. Got it? Yahan tak samjh mein aa gaya? Pretty good. So we'll be going with the second paragraph. So we have a short break in between. We will be doing this step. We go is we'll add on the head 1, 2 and right shoulder 3, 4. Ab jab aap kar rahe ho, you bend your body towards this side. You go 1, 2, and then we cross right foot forward and take a circle with a slow part. And then we'll do the same part with the left side. 1, 2, left, left, cross right and circle. Got it? Then we have a song of Badshah. Badshah ke lyrics are there. So we'll be doing the steps on the Badshah lyrics. We go 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, repeat. Let's do 5, 6, 7, go. तेरे आगे क्या ही फरमाए, बन के नशा तो एक सर चढ़ जाए. Got it? Now after this we roll our hands, right hand up, left hand down. Left hand का hand ऊपर रहेगा, right hand down. Go 1, 2, 3. And while doing this we bend towards 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3. Now bend the right leg back. Take a circle and we'll sit like this, and we'll face it towards this way. Got it? And we'll lay down. Got it? And your hands goes behind your head and just nod your head. Got it? Now after this we have the step. We crisscross our legs. Apne right leg lift kiya, and then you change towards the left, and you bring your right leg up, kick so that you can sit. Bring your right hand on the floor. We'll turn left hand, left leg go up. You'll be putting like this. Bring your body weight up, take a roll and stand. Got it? So once you stand up, then we have a foot movements. We go right, left, and right. And this with the hand and arms, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth, we don't have any hand movements. So when you're adding with the leg and hand together, it goes like 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have a step. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you pause here. Okay, let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. जब तू हाथ लगाए, पास बुलाए, मेरा सर घूमे ऐसे जैसे. It goes a little bit faster and you stop. Then we have a change in the tune, and with this we'll giving a pause with the step, and we are here. We'll add on the step with the shoulders and neck. So you go left, right, head, and then we switch heel, toe, and then we add on the step. We go 1, 2, 3. Got it? Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7. From back, heel and toe, and then we start step 1, 2, 3. Got it? After this, what you have to do is we'll do a groovy step, and we'll add on the waist. You go right, left, and we add on the arms. You go right, left. Now from here we add on the next step. We go 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. Got it? So we'll be starting from here again. Repeat 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3. Heel and toe. 1, 2, 3. Then we have wave. Then you go 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. Now after this, there is a lines in which you can pose according to yourself. So you can do any random freestyles. My girls had did a lot of different freestyles. They had posed like this. Whatever you want to do, you can do it yourself. Then after this, we have the step. Hand movement goes 1, 2, 3, and we'll add on the leg movement and a hip movement in it. With right hand, it goes left leg. So it goes 1, 2, 3, and then we have a wave with the hand. So we wave slowly and open a knee, and यहाँ से a little bit go faster, goes up. Got it? Okay? So let's add on the wave. Repeat. Let's repeat the wave. 1, and slowly bring it up, and then your right hand goes out. See, it goes closer to the body, goes like this, and the other hand goes. इसके साथ you bring it front, and you'll take a roll. Okay? And then we have again Naina, it goes like this way. Now in that moment you can do any style. Okay? If you remember what we did in the previous version, so you are going pretty good. Agar nahi yaad, so rewind the video, go back and learn it. Got it? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. Wave and up. Bring your hands, and then we have Naina, and you directly hit towards the step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, up. Clap, clap, clap. Right, left, roll, right, left, wave, wave. 1, 2, 1, 2, wave, wave, wave. And start with the move and end with the song. Okay, so here we are finishing with the choreo. I hope you guys like this one. And I'm gonna see you in the next video. Till then, do like, share, practice, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.